Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to go about doing a sports poster design using Photoshop. If you are just coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another wonderful tutorial. Without any further delay, let's dive into the tutorial. Yeah, so this is the simple sports poster. I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this. So we're going to click on file and then create a new document. So the size I'm going to be using is 1080 by 1350. I'm going to select on create. So after doing that, let me fit it to screen. Change that. Okay. So we're going to bring in the first background image. Yeah. And so after doing that, I'm going to bring in this stadium light. Yeah. So I'm going to drag it up, trying to centralize it. Here. And then we'll change add the layer mask. Then we'll select the brush to blend, using the brush to the background underneath. Let me increase the flow of the brush. Okay, so I'm going to blend like this. And after doing that, I'm going to change the layer mode to luminosity. Yeah, let me fit it to screen. And so I'm going to bring in the images now. So I'm going to bring in this. Oh, what's going on? Okay, this image. So I'm going to resize it, drag it up. Yeah, I'm trying to centralize it. And yeah. Let me zoom out a bit so that I can have chance to blend the down part of the image. So I'm still going to drag it up. Drag it. Yeah. So I'm going to add the layer mask now. Then use the brush tool to blend the down parts of the image. Then trying to centralize it again. Yeah. So we're going to add some camera raw filter to it. So we're going to go to filter, then camera raw filter. Then we'll set the contrast to 5. Then the clarity, after changing the contrast to 5, then we'll set the clarity to 3. Then the days, we'll set it to 4. Then we'll click on OK. Then we'll wait for Photoshop to apply the effects on the image. So after doing that, we're going to bring in the second image into Photoshop. So we're going to resize it like this. Make sure we size it. Yeah, so we're going to also add the camera raw filter to it. Before that, let's centralize it. Yeah, so we're going to add the camera raw filter to it. So we're going to set the vibrance, the contrast to 15, then the shadow to -2, and then the vibrance. Yeah, I'm going to move to vibrance, then the vibrance to 4. Then we click on OK. Wait, yeah. So we're still going to go back there. We'll add a little bit of texture and clarity and this. So the texture, we're going to set it to 5. Then the clarity to 9. Then the days to 19. Then we'll click on OK. Yeah, so we're going to write the players text the name. So we're going to type in. I'm going to type in his enter his name now. We all know this is the legend Marcelo. So I'm going to turn the text color to white, then add some shadow effects to it. So I'm going to click on the effects panel, then click on drop shadow. So we're going to set the color, the opacity to 50, the distance to 9, the spread to 9 and to 11, then the size to 1. Yeah, so I'm going to resize it a bit, then place it behind this second image. Yeah, so that's it on how to create a sports poster design using a simple sports poster design using Photoshop. If you learned one or two things from this tutorial, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button down there, turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I drop another wonderful tutorial like this. See you in my next tutorial.